Hey folks, I just swung into the shop to turn the heat on. We've got a winter event going on here, and while the shop is warming up, just out scratching around. This storm is supposed to last all day, so we're going to plow the first half of it, and then we'll go around and do the pushback and clean everything up when the storm ends. So you folks are getting a hint of how I operate. This is my 97 Suburban. Been a big fan of Suburbans for about 20 years, and I tried to turn this into a vehicle that could do all of the things necessary for me. Tow the boat, tow the race car, tow the trailer, plow the driveway. This plow was on the front of a 1995 pickup truck that in a hurricane the tree fell on the cab and crushed it. So I bought the entire workings off of this. 1995 was the last year of the pump mounted. You can see my controls here for the... So I was able to fabricate some brackets and make this thing work. So this has been on the truck for almost 4 years. So there's the belt-driven pump. They didn't put the pumps in after they went to the, got rid of the throttle body injection and went to the first-gen multi-port fuel injection. So the control valves were originally supposed to be where the computer is. So the only really necessary thing was I had to buy longer control cables to reach back. But again, move the charcoal canister, put the controls with a custom bracket here, custom bracket for the pump and the belt adjustment, and you know, that's how I operate. It was an inexpensive thing. I kind of like the fact that the pump is in here and not all the electronics out mounted on the, and the electrical, the hydraulic pump mounted out here. And it is a first generation minute mount, so gets the job done, takes care of my driveway. I do a lot of work for the neighbors, the elderly around here. I think that's how God wants us to operate, use our own resources to bless others. So that's what we're going to do today. We're just going to scratch around, and then once the heat is up in the garage, I'll go in and play in there for a while.